If you have deleted a video by mistake on your phone, you might be able to recover it. There is more than one way for you to recover deleted videos from an Android phone without a computer. In this video I will show you 2 methods to restore deleted video from your Android phone. So, let us start. Method 1. Restore deleted videos on Android phone from recently deleted. All videos and photos you delete from the Gallery app will be kept in the recently deleted folder for a period of time, generally up to 30 days. Open the Gallery app and tap Albums. On the bottom right corner, tap on the 3-dot option. From the drop-down menu, tap Recycle Bin. Now you will see all your recently deleted photos and videos here. Tap and hold one of the videos you want to recover. Then tap to select other items you want to restore. Tap Restore to restore the deleted videos and photos. Method 2. Recover permanently deleted videos on Android with Android Data Recovery app. If you have emptied the recently deleted folder or the videos and photos you want to retrieve or deleted more than 30 days ago, these items are permanently deleted from your Android phone. Then how can you recover permanently deleted videos from your device? Go to Play Store, search for Photo Recovery app, Deleted Video Recovery. Simply install the application. Launch the app on your phone and give required permissions. You could scan lost photos and videos. Select photos or videos and tap Start Scan button. After the scan is finished, select the video and tap on Recover. The recovered video will be restored to your phone gallery. So, these are the methods you can try to recover the videos which were deleted in Android. We hope that at least one of the methods helped you to recover deleted videos from your Android phone. Thanks for watching this video. And don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends. If you want more videos like this, then tap on the subscribe button and join us.